Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best digital kitchen food scale. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Nicewell Digital Kitchen Food Scale, a smart, reliable tool designed to bring accuracy, convenience, and style into your daily cooking and baking routine. Let's get started.
Product features: high precision measurement. Powered by 4 advanced load sensors, this scale delivers fast, stable, and highly accurate readings with precision up to 1 gram or 0.1 ounces, making it ideal for baking, cooking, and meal prep. Wide weighing range. From tiny spice portions to heavy ingredients, the Nicewell scale measures from 0.1 ounces up to 22 pounds, giving you flexibility for everyday cooking, bulk food prep, and even postage weighing. Large and clear LCD display. The bright, easy-to-read LCD screen shows measurements clearly at a glance and supports multiple units, including grams, kilograms, pounds/ounces, fluid ounces, and milliliters for total versatility. Spacious platform design. With a generous 9 by 6.3 inch platform, the scale easily holds large bowls, plates, and containers without blocking the display, ensuring comfortable and hassle-free weighing every time. Tare function for accuracy. The convenient tare feature lets you reset the scale to 0 after placing a container, allowing you to measure ingredients precisely without including the container's weight. Durable and easy-to-clean build. Built with tempered glass and a sleek stainless steel surface, the scale offers excellent durability, strong bearing capacity, fingerprint resistance, and quick cleaning after use. Ready to use and easy storage. The scale comes with 2 AAA batteries included and features a built-in hanging hook for simple storage. Just remove the blue protective film before use to keep the surface scratch-free. Pros: highly accurate and fast measurements. Wide weight range for versatile use. Large, easy-to-read display. Durable, stylish, and easy to clean. Batteries included for instant use. Cons: glass surface needs careful handling. Auto off time may feel short for some users. Requires removing protective film before first use. Final thoughts. The Nicewell Digital Kitchen Food Scale is a fantastic choice for home cooks, bakers, and health-conscious users who value precision and ease of use. Its smart design, accurate performance, and durable build make it a reliable kitchen companion. Want accurate cooking every time? Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more amazing reviews.